These are the PS5 mouse click triggers.
They're super responsive and really good for first-person shooters.
These are regular PS5 triggers. Not as responsive, you have to push it down further.
The standard triggers don't allow you to press as quickly as you can. The mouse clicks instantly improve your trigger finger with no practice.
Power of the mouse clicks, guys.
Sniping is also improved with mouse clicks. In those milliseconds of input delay with a standard trigger pull, your target can strafe left and right. With mouse clicks, the moment you have your target lined up and you press, it activates.